So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how to download and install iOS 14.4 beta in your iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user report to how to download beta version on iPhone and iPad. So guys, I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all, open the any browser in your iPhone and iPad. I also open the Safari. Then you can see also top corner search. So please search beta profile option. Then you can see also first website is betaprofile.com. Please tap on that. Then you can see also download beta profile. Then you can see also iOS 14.4 beta profile and also iPadOS 14.4 beta profile and also watchOS 7 download. So easy to download your beta profile in your iPhone and iPad. So please tap on the download. Then you can see also this type pop-up and tap on the allow. Then you can see also OK. Then open the settings in your iPhone and iPad. Then tap on the profile icon. Then right corner you can see also install. Then enter your passcode and easy to tap on install and install your iPhone. Then come back in iPhone settings. Then you can see also software update. So please tap on that. In software update you can see also iOS 14 beta profile update available in your iPhone and iPad. So easy to download and install beta profile in your iPhone and iPad and easy to solve your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.